Hello guys, welcome back to Learners Hub KE platform, and today we're going to be learning about the various divisibility tests. So for people to come up with these uh, tests, methods, formulas, you had to test them over a wide range of things. Now the goal is to make everyone mwenye anapitia kwa hii channel a full-fledged mathematician. So if you do maths long enough, utaanza kupata shortcut. Funny enough, utapata njia ya kutoka kwa answer mpaka urudi kwa waki, kwa the starting point. Any chosen few anafanyanga. Sina definition ya stuff, but it's usually fun. Time umekwama, it's usually fun. So let's get right to the cake. So divisibility test, the known ones are from numbers 2 to 11. Now I'll explain one by one. So tuanze na 2. So a number is divisible by 2 if the number is even, basically. Now what makes a number even? If the last digit is the following: 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So a number like 12 is divisible by 2 because inaisha na 2, 14, 16, 200 and 2372. This is divisible by 2 because inaisha na 2 and so on. Okay, so I hope you get that right. Next, kuna 3. So a number is divisible by 3 if sum of digits is divisible by 3. So for you to implement this, lazima ujue tables za 3 at least hadi kitu kama 13. Like from 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, yani hadi 15. So ukizijua hivyo by heart, obviously hautapata namba zenye sum yake inapita 45. Unacheki namba yenye sum yake ni 45 ni kitu kama 99999. Hii ndo sum of numbers ni 45, 925. So for numbers less than this, utapata sum of digits in a range between multiplication table ya 3 times 1 mpaka 3 times 15. So if you know the products of 3 multiplied by 1, 2 mpaka 15, then you'll be able to solve this question. So for example, ni kama 81. 81 is divisible by 3 since 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. Na tunajua 9 is divisible by 3. So 81, check. Number kama 73. So we assume that since national 3 is divisible by 3, so just do the test. 7 plus 3 is equals to 10, and 10 is not divisible by 3, so 73 is not divisible by 3. So that's how you actually do it. So next need 4. So a number is divisible by 4 if last 2 digits are divisible by 4. So now that includes 0, 0. Okay. So pay a fun fact. A 0 can be divided. 0 is divided by any number, but a number cannot be divided by 0. So 0 divided by 4 is 0, sawa? But 4 divided by 0 is not equal to 0. Fun fact. And this is fun fact. I'll explain it to you in another unrelated video. Yeah, mtaisoma kwa calculus mkifika form 4. But yeah, it's very interesting as to why 4 divided by 0 is not. Hata ukifanya na calc itakuletea tunaitwa math error. It's an undefined number. So let's test this. For example, a number like 216. So for you also to implement this, lazima pia ukwe utatumia the same trick ya 3. Whereby you have to know multiplication table from 4 times 1 to 4 times 15. Hapa ni 4 na hapa ni 60. So pia unaweza endelea 16, 64, unaweza jua pia mpaka 80. Yeah, there's no harm in that. So 4, 8, 0, 12, ukiendelea 16. So you have to know this by heart. So that ukiona kitu kama 216 unajua this is divisible. Ukiona 332 unajua this is divisible because 32 is divisible by 4 using the last 2 digits. Okay. So ukapatiwa answer kama number kama 306. Check the last digits if they're divisible by 4. Utapata a number like this is not. So next 5. A number is divisible by 5 if last digit is 0 or 5. So kama the last digit is 0 or 5, then count it as a no-go zone. So for example, 10 is divisible by 5, 15, 25, but a number like 32, no, because it ends with 2. Any other number, kama inaisha any other number, it's not divisible by 5. Kama ni 0 and 5, if the number ends with 0 and 5, then it is divisible by 5. So let's go to some complex ones. So number 6. A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 and 3. So, yeah. So you have to check if the number is divisible by 2 and 3. So what is the divisibility test of 2? If the number ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Ikitik here, and then here in 3, if the sum of digits is divisible by 3. Ikitik here, then the number is divisible by 6. So for example, number like 36. So it ends with 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So here 2, you tick. Then you test for 3. Sum of digits is divisible by 3. So 3 ni 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Nakuja 3. So this number is divisible by 6. So in any case whereby the number only, for example, only passes one test, kama 44. 44 only passes one test, now it failed the other. So this number is not divisible by 6. It has to pass both tests, 2 and C2 or 2 and 3 for to be divisible by 6. So next 8. Funny thing, hakuna divisibility test ya 7 because I think many tests have been tried and it's been proven to be very shifty. After a certain range, the conditions start to change. So it is highly volatile. Kwa chemistry, that is a concept of ever-changing things. So a number is divisible by 8 if last 3 digits are divisible by 8. So So for this you have to know numbers that are divisible by 8 hadi 3 digits. So you have to know 3-digit numbers divisible by 8. So basically utakuwa tu una divide the last 3 digits by 8 so that you can actually know. So hisi kama 2 and 4 ndo upate 8. So basically you have to divide the last 3 numbers. So for example, something like 3, 1, 20. So take the last three digits, divide by 8. 1, 8, 4, 5. So this number is divisible by 8. So ukipata a number kama 16. So this is a 2-digit number. So what you do, you just add 0, and then you check if it is divisible by 8. And it is indeed divisible by 8. So take it as yes. So for a 2-digit number, what you do, you just add a 0 in front of it in a 3-digit number. Tutasoma tunaita significant numbers later. So next ni 9. So if sum of digits is divisible by 9. Okay. So for example, a number like say 99. So just have 9 plus 9 is equals to 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. This will give us 2. So the number is divisible by 9. So that's how you actually check. So for numbers, for number to be divisible by 9, sum of its digits has to be divisible by 9. Okay, so something like 909. So let's just take simple examples. So 9 plus 0 plus 9, 18. 18 is divisible by 9, so 909 is divisible by 9. So you have to know numbers divisible by 9. So utapata kwa hizi definition, the only divisibility test with actual tests zenye zinaweza kusaidia like without you having to know additional information ni ya 2 na 3, 2, 3, it's not 2 na 3, it's 2 and 5. You just have to look for a certain information. For example, kama ni 5, just check if the number ends with 0 and 5. Kama ni 2, if the number ends with 2, 4, 6, 8 ama 0. For the others, you have to know additional data. Okay? Now, the data is actually found, the information iko kwa knowing multiplication tables. So I hope we have that down. So it is important that ujue everything, a product multiplication table between 1 and 13. Sasa. So I'll continue with the final number. So a number is divisible by 10 if the number ends with 0. So if it ends with 0, the number is divisible by 10. That is everything. Hiyo ndio kitu tunafaa tuangalie. Kama ni 3, 5, 3, 7, 2, 8, 2, 5, then alafu 0, hii number is divisible by 10. So you know the simple way of dividing numbers by 10. So you just put it over 10, then you cancel the zeros out. Then any number divided by 1 is itself. So simple as that. So tukiendelea, so let's go to the final one yenye inakuanga very complex. So 11, to check the divisibility test of 11. So if, but haiulizwangu sana, haiulizwangu sana. So utapata for this, if difference of sum of alternating numbers is 0 or a number divisible by 11. So for example, such test kitu kama tuanze na 22. Alternating numbers iko position 1 na 2. So meaning that uta add uta add numbers zenye ziko kwa the odd positions na numbers zenye ziko in even position, and then you find the difference. So numbers in odd position ni 2, numbers in even position ni 2. So 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So 22 is divisible by 11. Another example ni 132. 132 ni 11 times 12. So you test numbers in odd position ni 1 na 3. So hivyo. So na add 1 plus 2 minus, then kuna 3. So itakuwa 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. So 132 is a number divisible by 0. So I hope tumeelewana hadi hapo. So if you have any questions, unaweza just like comment or use the email kwa description, and I'll be able to help you out. So thank you. So make sure you like and subscribe, and see you in the next episode. Okay, bye.